Academy. I'm here with my awesome Happy Karate Kid friends here with Mr. Anel, Brianna, as well as Eric, and we're actually going to go over inside pattern for white belt. So we're going to show an inside pattern. So I'm going to go ahead and have you guys start off first. Let's bow you guys in first. I'll feed you guys like this. One time, say jump. Good, and skate. Right. Good, stay where you guys are at. Good, let's get to a get ready stance. Aishi Shidashi from here. We're going to go to the right side on this side over here, and we're just going to go doing a roundhouse block. So if you don't know how to do a roundhouse block just yet, again, I said it's a palm hand block into a knife hand block. We're going to go to the right. So on one, go ahead, roundhouse block, palm, and knife. So it's doing a roundhouse block to right here. On two, you're going to do a split fingers, straight on to the eyes. Make sure the other hand is chambered right to your side just like this. On three, it's an extended knuckles to the throat. And then on four, it's a bare hand ripping on out just like that as well too, all right? So let's bring it back to stance again. And we're moving to the side, guys. We're not turning our body on the block, right? So we're not turning sideways like this. We're keeping our body straight, facing our opponent, throwing that first strike on out as well too. So let's get it on one. Here we go to the end. One, roundhouse block. Two, split fingers. Three, extended knuckles. And four, bare hand. Nice job, up again. All right, let's do that. So you would practice that if you're practicing it at home. You do it just like that in counts. We'll do it one more time with 4 counts. Again, ready, and one, roundhouse block. Two, split fingers. Three, extended knuckles. And four, bare hand. Knowing exactly where each one of those strikes go as well too is what's important. Now we're going to add those two together. So we'll do it in 2 counts. We're going to do a roundhouse block, split fingers, and then on 2, an extended knuckles and bare hand. You guys got that? So yes, let's take. Yes! Hey guys, here we go, ready, and on one, and one, roundhouse block, split fingers to the eyes, right? So that's the first one. 2, extended knuckles, and bare hand. Good, we're going to do that one more time, 2 counts. One more time, ready, and one, roundhouse block, split fingers to the eyes. I'm chambering my other hand. 2, extended knuckles, and bare hand with the face. Back on up again, good. And then, of course, you would do it all at one time. So you do all 4 of those techniques in 1 count as well, too. If you're practicing this at home, you do that about 3 or 4 times at home so they at least memorize the pattern. Again, this is our inside pattern. Ready, and one, roundhouse block, split fingers, extended knuckles, and then bare hand. Good. And 3 claps up. One time, say jump. Good. Stay where you guys are at. Good. So that's your inside pattern. If you guys are practicing at home, break it on up into 4, whichever techniques by counts. Do that about 3 or 4 times so they got the techniques down. Correct the chambering of the hands, the stances as well too, and then break it on up into 2 counts, and then finally into 1 complete motion and 1 complete pattern. That's our white belt inside pattern for you guys. So make sure you guys are practicing at home. Make sure you guys subscribe to our channel for Happy Karate Kids, as more tutorials are coming on up as well too. Thanks.